Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 24 Gifford Court in Crail. This is a spacious, really well presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property, getting to take full advantage of a large open plan family kitchen diner, a study, so perfect if you're needing a working from home space, 3 generous sized bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite. Then as well you get to step out patio doors to the rear, taking you to your private garden while being situated in a really quiet, desirable location within Crail. So what I'm going to do is take you on the tour, show you everything that this property has to offer. The sun is beating down on us today as well, so really perfect to showcase the home. And as always, keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is your property here, number 24. So really well presented to the front, as you can see, and that theme continues throughout the property. So you can see you've got your low maintenance front garden with your later lawn area just there. That is a gate for access to your rear garden. And what's great as well is, so front door's just there, and that's exactly where you can park your vehicles. So couldn't be any closer for parking if we tried. But just look at that, sitting in the sun beautifully today. And then opposite as well, which is great, is you've just got this really large later lawn area just here. And look at that sun beating down on us. But this is to the front of your property. Really quiet cul-de-sac. You can maybe hear the birds in the background, but ample parking right on your doorstep. And then this is your property here. Really excited to show you this one. It is just perfect family home. So let's head inside and start the tour. As always, we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. But straight away you can just see how spacious this property is coming into your entrance hallway. But as I say, let's head upstairs. So 3 bedrooms, don't forget. And you are getting a master ensuite with this one as well, which is just perfect. And what I love as well is just how spacious it is up here as well. You really are spoiled with this one. So this is your upper landing. If it was me, I'd be putting like a chaise or a chair there, maybe like a bookshelf. You can do storage as well just there, but it's a really spacious upper landing. We're going to start with our master ensuite, so that is to our right. So this is your master ensuite. As you can see, move in, ready to go property. But this is your master. Lovely and bright, and that theme continues as well throughout the whole property. Really bright property. So you can see there you have storage just in that wardrobe. So plenty of storage. And then you come behind me just here and you have your ensuite, which is a great addition. So just a contemporary shower room. So you have your thermostatic enclosed shower, your wash hand basin and WC. So this is your master. Then coming along, you have your main family bathroom. Again, really contemporary, lovely and bright. This one, you have your bath with shower overhead as well, just behind the curtain just there. So you have your bath and shower, and then wash hand basin WC, but that is your contemporary bathroom. Then back along the hallway, but just look at that, so much space. And what's great as well is this is the property that just keeps giving. There's loads of additional space, but what I love is you've got this almost utility come laundry room up here, which is just brilliant because it saves you having to take it all the way downstairs. Just do all your washing up here. So this is a brilliant addition. You could easily obviously get all this shelved and get it fully kitted out for storage as well. Even get one of those old school pulleys from the ceiling for drying your clothes as well. But this is just a great additional space. Keep it all behind closed doors. So probably not something you were expecting, but certainly take full advantage of that. Coming round, obviously your upper landing, we then have your second bedroom. You can see straight away the sun is beating in here today. So another great sized room. As well, you have storage again, just in that wardrobe space just there. But just trying to give you an idea of the size of the rooms. Easily get a double or even a king in this space. Then coming into your final room, great if you're needing obviously a nursery or even for obviously smaller children. So this is your third and final bedroom, but again storage, so plenty of storage with this property. And again, a lovely and bright room. Then going downstairs. So we'll head into the living room. What I love about the living room as well is you've got these big glass doors, obviously opening up to this great size, really generous sized living room. But look at this. You've got the downlighters providing plenty of light, but also the light is flooding in as well, as you can see. And I just love the fact you could just have these doors open and just really open the space up. But look at that. I love this living room. That, as you can see, is wall-to-wall storage. Now, obviously, that is freestanding, so you could take that away if you don't need it. But it'd be great for display and obviously storage purposes. But even with having that there, you can just see how much floor space there is for all of your living room furniture. Then we will head along. And then there is a final WC as well, which is great just having it on this level, especially if you have people over. They don't need to be going upstairs. You have this great size downstairs WC with just your wash hand basin. Then we come into what's really the heart of the home, this really large open plan family kitchen diner. Brilliant size, lovely and bright, and as you can see, you've got those patio doors taking you out into your garden. We will head out there in a second, but I just want to show you your kitchen space. Easily get a large dining table just here if you wish. You can obviously see you've got that freestanding American style fridge freezer, and you still have all of this floor space, plenty of cabinet and worktop space. You've got your integrated hob, extractor, dishwasher just there, and then your double oven as well, and plenty of cabinet and worktop space. And then you might remember at the beginning I mentioned that study home office space. Well, that's just through this door here, and it's a brilliant addition if you are needing to work from home. Fully kitted out, ready to go. So you've got that floor to ceiling shelf storage, you've got the desk space. So really great size additional room. If you don't need a working from home space, obviously you've got a craft room, you've maybe got somewhere for obviously kids' toys and almost like a kids' playroom. So plenty of different options to make this work for you and your family, but brilliant if you are needing that working from home space already set up, ready to go. And then just behind there is just storage, so you can hide anything you need through there. But isn't that just a great addition? But this is your family kitchen diner. I just love this space, and again with your downlighters, so the attention to detail, making it really bright. But then I love just these patio doors. You can just imagine the summer months having them open, family, friends, socialising, entertaining, coming in and out. But then this is your garden to the rear. So again, just like the front, really low maintenance, which is just perfect. You've got your later lawn area, your paved area just there for outdoor seating. And just, it's so peaceful here. It's just perfect. So this is your garden to the rear, and then don't forget your access back to the front just there. And what's great as well is look at that blue sky. We've got a perfect day for it today as well. And we're not overlooked there either, which is just ideal. So let's have a recap of number 24. That was a personal property tour for 24 Gifford Court in Crail. Not one to be missed, because this really is the perfect family home. 3-bedroom, semi-detached. You're getting to take full advantage of that large open plan family kitchen diner. That additional room just off, currently being utilised as a home office. Ideal if that's what you're looking for. You then head upstairs and you've got those 3 generous sized bedrooms, one of which is an ensuite. Plus you've got that additional utility cum laundry space as well. Then you get to step out of those patio doors into this private garden that you have at the rear. Moving condition, ready to go as well, well presented. So it really is the perfect home while being situated in a really quiet, desirable cul-de-sac within Crail. I'm sure all you can hear behind me is just birds. It is so peaceful here, but you still have all of your amenities on your doorstep. Within Crail itself, you have the co-op for the convenience store, you have cafes like the Beehive, Also from here as well, you can do coastal walks at Crail Harbour or even join the Fife Coastal Path. You also have the Crail Golfing Society as well. Also from this location, we're about 10 miles into St Andrews, the home of golf and the University of St Andrews, and the further cafes, bistro, restaurants and beaches that St Andrews has to offer. As well, for schooling from this location, you have the local primary school, as well as Wade Academy for a high school within Anstruther. So great location, moving condition, ready to go, making it the perfect home. So if you want to get further details, click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at Fife Properties. Take care.